Ever run out of outlets for all your devices? Struggling with tangled cords and messy power strips? Worried about overloaded sockets and safety risks? Charging your phone slowly while working or studying? Big plugs blocking other outlets, wasting space? Concerned about sudden surges damaging your electronics? Need to power multiple devices at home or office? Introducing the Anker Power Strip Surge Protector. Features 12 AC outlets for all your gadgets. Includes one USB-C and two USB-A ports for fast charging. Charge your iPhone 15 to 50% in just 26 minutes. Optimized layout fits even the largest plugs easily. No more blocked outlets or wasted space. Advanced 8-point safety system protects your devices. Surge protection, fire resistance, overload protection included. Temperature control keeps everything running safely. TUV, certified for trusted reliability and safety. 5 feet extension cord gives you flexible placement options. Perfect for home, office, or dorm setups. Mounting screws included for easy installation. Comes with an 18-month worry-free warranty. Lifetime, $200,000 connected equipment warranty for peace of mind. Friendly customer service, ready to help anytime. Charge multiple devices simultaneously without hassle. Enjoy fast USB-C charging for your smartphones and tablets. Protect your valuable electronics from unexpected surges. Keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Upgrade to Anker World's one mobile charging brand. Experience efficient power management every day. Make your life easier and safer with Anker Power Strip. Product details and link are given in the description.